Okay, so having to use my impact gun with a 14 millimeter 9/16 9/16. I got an extension on it. This is an impact. Trying to get these things out was some work. Fortunately, I just bought this bad boy, but I had another one. I just found it. So, nice color. So, got these bad boys out finally. As you can see, all the air came out, and I didn't dump the air. I actually made my own dump valve because this truck didn't come with one. So off the back, because for it to dump air, it actually needs some weight to be on it for it to dump the air completely. But it'll dump enough by me jumping, adding a small tube at the bottom, coming across, dump valve here. As you can see, ain't no air in the system because it already leaked out already because that one has a hole. So made my valve to dump air, okay, connected it back so that both bags bleeds out. It dumps all the air quick fast, especially when it has a load on it. And then smack it back closed and the air's up. Now the backdrop of doing this is you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 areas of fault. You know, at any given time, any of these guys leak out. And when I bought this, one of these pieces was missing, and I had to fight with the guys to give it back to me. So all the air is already dumped out. I gotta air it back up because this truck already sits low. Try to take it off with this guy, but this guy said, you know. But the Makita did the job with my old battery that I bought damn near a year ago. So, and I don't know why it is so hard just to get a charger for these things. But anyway, it worked. Got it out. Passed the test. And now I gotta take that airline out of it, swap it out. And since this one has this different setup, because you can see this one has the nipples that come up, we're gonna have to probably run to Home Depot and get some screws. I might even have some because I know I bought some. Got some extra ones that I bought. Throw them on there and swap this out.